Reinforced concrete is a very important structural member in the structural engineering. It consists of concrete and steel bars. The main function of this concrete is to resist the compressive stresses that normally exist on the upper side, while the role of the steel bars is to resist the tensile stresses that exist on the lower part of the concrete beams. Concrete beams can be designed as a compression control or tension control. It is very important that concrete must be designed as tension control because steel gives a lot of deformation before the failure, while concrete is brittle and it can fail suddenly.